I found this, I share with you.
As John said, on a crosswind landing, what you're doing, in effect, is using the bank to make the airplane drift into the wind, just enough to counter the crosswind and keep you on the center line of the runway.
She said use the bank to counteract the wind.
Now the trick to the crosswind landing is using just enough bank to keep the airplane from drifting left or right, and using just the rudder pressure it takes to keep the nose of the aircraft aligned with the center line of the runway.
She said use the nose pressure to align the aircraft with the runway. It sounds like contrary with what I just said. And this one, the wings from the left side and the flaps, like I said, you press your sticks to right, so the flap like this. But the rudder should press to left. How is this true? Like it rudder presses to right. But this is not a hard technique. It's pretty much easy.